OLAPLEX. I think we should have a one-on-one conversation right now, and I really need to say something to you.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? How y'all doing today? I'm waiting. You guys usually never see my hair looking this busted. It's parched. It's very thirsty. But I heard it through the grapevine that these products be saving lives. So we gonna test these claims today. In today's video, I wanted to test out a popular product or products in particular that everyone has been raving about. Tan-ta-da-da! Here comes right corny. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I've been raving about some of their products too. Well, their shampoo number 4 to date, one of my favorite shampoos that I have ever used, and it has been in rotation. But today I'm going to be trying out a few more of their products which I've had. I just never felt compelled to use them, but since the talk has been so loud in these streets, we're gonna try them out today. Oh, and by the way, the brand is OLAPLEX. Hey OLAPLEX, how you doing? OLAPLEX does offer quality products. The only gripe I have with them is their sizes. And side note, they not too long ago came out with their moisture mask, which I do have a video up on my channel, so check that out if you're interested. So that's their number 8. The products we're going to be focusing on today is their number 0 and their number 3. This is supposed to be golden. Okay, let's talk about the hair now. Anytime I wear my hair in curly hairstyles, it just doesn't end right. We end up with a lot of tangles, a lot of dryness, a lot of neglect. We're gonna finally do something about it because I've been avoiding this. She's flaky, she's parched, she needs some love and affection. Let's talk about the number 0. So it claims to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect. So it's an intensive bond building hair treatment. So they have their instructions. We should all follow instructions, right? So you're supposed to apply this on dry hair in small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Your hair should be damp, not drenched. Y'all just said dry hair. No, you said damp. Okay, cool. So basically, your hair shouldn't be wet. Got that. But damp. Okay, but still dry. So you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. So right after you use the number 0, you're supposed to use the number 3. Okay, so let's section off our hair into small sections according to the directions. You know, we're following the directions. This is our first small section. I'm just going to slightly separate my hair a little bit. This comes in a nozzle, but this isn't practical for me and my household, you know. So I'm going to pour this out into a spray bottle. And I think I did use this before, you guys, but with the nozzle, and I think that just made my experience what it didn't need to be. So now we're gonna just use a spray bottle. But I do remember this being very strong. So I have my section. I'm gonna spray the number 0 on my hair. Hold on, we need to open some windows in here because I'm over here choking. So I want advice to use this if your hair is tangled. But we gangsters in these streets. No, we're not. I'm just gonna take my time. I'll be okay. Finger detangling as I spray it on. So this doesn't really say anything about moisturizing. So this is mostly to repair and strengthen. So one section down, we have all this to go. If you guys see white stuff all over me and all over my face, I have a bunch of flakes in my hair from my previous hairstyle. And my roots are very tangled. Sorry guys, it's giving me chemicals. You guys do make me nervous sometimes, and I need to cough in peace. I'm starting to not understand the kind of relationship we have because you guys don't remind me to do anything. I forgot to dampen my hair that was supposed to still be dry but not drenched, and I actually used all of it empty, like nothing is in here. I went ahead and twisted because my hair would start to shrink up and it would have just made it a lot harder to deal with. So that's why I went ahead and twisted. Now I'm going to unravel and apply the OLAPLEX Hair Perfector number 3. Pause, rewind. You're supposed to leave the number 0 in your hair for about 10 minutes. It's been more than 10 minutes that I've applied it on this section because I did do section by section. So I can go ahead and apply the number 3, and you're supposed to leave in the number 3 for 10 minutes or so. I'll probably leave it in for a little bit longer, but it's is getting dark. But I am going to spritz my hair with water a little bit just to dampen my hair a little bit like I was supposed to in the beginning, but we're not sure. The number 0 was 5.2 fluid ounces, not much. And the number 3 is 3.3 fluid ounces, not much at all. So, oops, supposed to take the seal off. Tastes like salt. I'm gonna apply little by little bit because we don't have much. It has a nice slimy consistency. I'm gonna focus mostly on my ends and work my way up. So yes, it has a lot of slip. I haven't used a detangling tool as yet. The slip is there. I'm not gonna retwist. I'm just gonna apply to each twist. So I'm gonna grab twist by twist and apply the product. And a little goes a long way. I gotta start holding my hair like this though so you guys can see all my hair in the frame because of the length of my hair now. Finger detangle, drag that down. And please don't neglect your roots. Make sure that is detangled and is saturated with product as well. Sometimes we get so hyper focused on our ends we forget about the rest parts of our hair that need love too. The hair is feeling moisturized. What does this claim to do actually? So it is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So this is supposed to repair and strengthen. Start from the end and work my way up while finger. But these roots though, we're gonna have to loosen you up, baby. That's basically all I'm gonna be doing. Let's do it. OLAPLEX. I think we should have a one-on-one conversation right now, and I really need to say something to you. First of all, I haven't seen my hair curl this much from a treatment. I have never seen the curls come to life this much just from a treatment. So I'm a bit concerned. I'm a bit confused as well because the curls are coming through. The curls are in the building. The curls are in your face. The curls are curling. The curls have arrived. Especially in this area right here. You guys know I don't really have a curl pattern in this area. Or that's what I thought. So I'm a bit confused. No, I'm highly confused at the curl definition that's going on right now. So I'm gonna need a little moment. I don't know if I sound like I'm out of it. I'm just trying to understand what's really going on. The curls look really good, guys. Like this is serious. I can't even joke around anymore. Like, okay, OLAPLEX, like you don't have to do me like that. Like you don't have to shut me up like that. I really don't appreciate how you did me like that, but you're that girl, okay? I believe y'all. I haven't even washed it out yet and I believe y'all. No surprise, I did use all of it. Probably a little bit that I can squeeze because we're still not wasting anything no matter the year. Waste not 2022. We're in 2022 already. Oh my god. Okay, so you're supposed to leave this on for about 10 minutes. Rinse from your hair, shampoo, and condition as usual. As I already told you guys, I used the number 4, their bond maintenance shampoo. It's a staple. It's consistent in my routine. I have been using this consistently for the past couple months, y'all. I think this is my second big bottle and I finished my travel size smaller bottle. This is a fave. So I'm gonna use this to shampoo my hair, of course, and any conditioner I have lying around. And I'm also going to be using their number 6, their bond smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream. Claims to reduce frizz, nourish, and protect. So I'm gonna use this as my leave-in conditioner. It's getting pretty late, so I don't know if I'll be able to finish the video, and I have somewhere to go for 6:30. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair real quick. Be right back. So I rinsed out the treatment, I shampooed, and I conditioned. Let me show you guys what I conditioned with, just in case you're wondering, which I'll be speaking more about in a video. I've been loving this conditioner and another one actually. Anyway, we'll talk more about that in another video. Let's see what the hair is looking like. So the hair does feel really good. My hair feels strong. It just feels really strong. It's different from a protein treatment strong. My hair is full. It's soft, but not too soft, you know? It's like right there, balanced. The curls look good. There's some shine and I'm satisfied. So now I'm going to apply the OLAPLEX number 6, their bond smoother. I'm going to apply this and just put in 2 flat twists. So this is not the most moisturizing. It didn't claim to moisturize. It claimed to reduce frizz and nourish. but leave-in conditioner is the first step to my moisturizing process, so that's why I'm applying it. And this is 3.3 fluid ounces as well. One of the most annoying feelings is having water in your ears. Can't stand it. Trying to get this water out of my ears. I'm gonna break my hair into half now and do my flat twist. This is one of my quick go-to hairstyles, especially after wash day when I don't have time to style my hair. Hair is treated, shampooed, conditioned, slightly moisturized because this is the first step of my moisturizing process. I had a great wash day, to be honest. My hair feels very strong. Products worked really well in my hair. I didn't use all of the number 6 because it's really concentrated, so a little bit really does go a long way. I used up all of the number 0 and the number 3, so obviously that's something that I can't use as often because I only really get one use out of that. So if I were to continue to have those in my routine, I would probably use it like every 3 months. Would I use it again? I don't know. I don't think I'll go out of my way to purchase, to be honest, y'all, but if it's something that I see around, like if I go somewhere and I see it in a store, I would probably buy it again. I just don't think I'll go out of my way to order it. But if I live somewhere where I can just go to the store and pick it up, then yeah, I would probably do that. Comment down below and let me know of your experience using any of the products that I used today or that I mentioned, or any of the products from the OLAPLEX brand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Bye.